My friends, this video falls under the category of how to do your laundry because I want to introduce you to the top 13 laundry products available on the market today that you can purchase in your local grocery store to help you get your clothes cleaner, fresher, and keep them in tip-top condition. Number one, if you're going to clean something, you need soap. So number one, no surprise here, is laundry detergent. This is the heart and soul of washing your clothes and getting them clean, is to find your favorite laundry detergent. Detergents come in liquids, powders, pods, tablets, bars, detergent packs, and of course you also have your eco-friendly options. Finding a good quality, effective laundry detergent is going to be your primary weapon that you're going to use to get your clothes clean. Number two are stain removers. Even though a good quality detergent can remove stains, stain removers are products that are specifically designed to target and attack specific types of stains. You have general stain removers that fight stuff like food, beverages, dirt, grass, and just your everyday common stains. You also have oxygen bleach stain removers, enzyme stain removers, protein stain removers, oil and grease stain removers, ink, lipstick, nail polish stain removers, rust removers, red wine stain removers, mold and mildew removers, and you get the point. Number three are laundry boosters. These are similar to stain removers in that both are separate products from your detergent that you add to your cycle to help enhance the wash. But stain removers are designed to target and attack specific types of stains. Laundry boosters, on the other hand, are just added to your cycle to enhance the overall cleaning power and stain removing capabilities of your detergent. It gives your laundry detergent like a kick in the butt, or like giving your car a turbo boost. Stain removers are typically used to pre-treat stains on the fabric before you add it to the washing machine. Whereas laundry boosters are added directly to the washing machine with your detergent. Some examples of laundry boosters would be things like Arm & Hammer washing soda, Tide Boost pods, OxyClean, Purex crystals, and even your DIY stuff like vinegar, baking soda, borax. Number four would be lint rollers. Now most of you have probably heard of lint rollers, but this is a great item to have in your laundry arsenal. You know, you roll it on your clothes and on your fabrics, and it just pulls all the lint, pet hair, and little small debris off of your fabrics. They're just little adhesive sheets and they're sticky, and so when it gets full like this, when it gets a bunch of lint and hair all over it, let's see it. See, you just peel the sheet and it just breaks off. I like that. And then you have a fresh sheet. And if you take a look at it, it's brand new. So a great tool to have in your laundry arsenal. Number five would be the mesh laundry bag. These little bags prevent your delicate items from damage, so it prevents them from getting snagged and tangled during the washing cycle. And what you do is, I'll use this microfiber cloth as an example. You just stick it in your mesh bag here, and then it has a zipper. You zip it shut, and this is how you would wash it. These mesh bags are for delicate items like lingerie, swimsuits, stuffed animals, scarves. If you're into scarves, you can also use them for delicate workout gear. Curtains, shears, that's what the mesh bag is for. Number six would be color catchers. Now some of you have probably never heard of these, and you might be like, what in the world is a color catcher? Well, color catchers are designed to prevent colors from bleeding onto other items during the washing process. They're typically in the form of sheets or laundry cloths, and they're treated with special ingredients that absorb and trap the dyes that are in the water to prevent them from transferring onto your other items. This is really, really helpful for new items. When you buy a new item, a brand new item, and it's got a lot of color in it, sometimes those dyes are not fully set into the fabric yet. And so when you wash it, those dyes will release into the water. Color catchers absorb, attract, and trap those loose dyes in that water. Color catchers are also very practical in that they save you time. Rather than spending time trying to sort out your laundry into separate piles according to the colors, you can just mix them all together into one load, and when you use the color catcher, you don't have to worry about the colors bleeding onto one another. So the way you use them is that you just take 1 or 2 sheets, you add it to the washing cycle with your load, and you're good to go. The most popular brand of color catcher would be Shout. Number 7, and this one can be a little controversial, but fabric softeners. They primarily come in liquid form, or you've got sheets like this. These are, you put in the dryer. Okay, so you got one little sheet. This is a fabric softener sheet. The liquid fabric softener you add to the washing cycle, and the drying fabric softener kind, the sheets, you add to the dryer. The way fabric softeners work is that they coat your fabrics with a thin layer of chemicals. The way these chemicals work is that it reduces static on your clothes, and it makes them softer to the touch by reducing any roughness or stiffness in the fabric. And it also gives them a pleasant fragrance. Fabric softeners typically have a pleasant odor to them. Or maybe I shouldn't say odor, but fragrance. Number 8 is some good old-fashioned bleach. Chlorine bleach is typically used to remove stains from your white clothes and whiten your whites. You also have oxygen bleach, which is made to remove stains from your colored items because it contains no chlorine. So when you use oxygen bleach, you're less likely to have fading or discoloration. And you can check out my previous 2 videos where I went into more detail about those items. Number 9 would be wool dryer balls. These things are supposed to replace your dryer sheets in that they are all natural, they're reusable, and they also are supposed to make your clothes softer. The way they work is that you add 5 or 6 of these to a drying cycle, and they're supposed to agitate and beat the clothes around to knock out any stiffness so that they're softer. And fluffier, I might add. They're also supposed to reduce drying time because they create space between your items, which then promotes better air circulation, and so your clothes dry faster, and then of course that reduces energy, which saves on your electric bill. And lastly, these are supposed to reduce static cling on your clothes so that they don't stick together. Number 10, laundry hampers and baskets. Pretty self-explanatory. These are used to transport your clothes to and fro. Dirty clothes to the laundry room or the laundry mat, and clean clothes to the folding pile. Number 11, and I've run out of fingers, laundry sanitizers. So laundry sanitizers are products specifically designed to attack and kill germs, bacteria, viruses, and allergens from your clothing. If you have towels or sheets that may have come in contact with bodily fluids, or you have baby items that you're washing like cloth diapers, or maybe there was a flu outbreak in the house and everyone got sick, or maybe you have allergies and asthma and you're just trying to reduce the allergens in your clothing. Laundry sanitizers use ingredients in the product that attack and kill those microorganisms. 2 top brands would be Lysol laundry sanitizer and Clorox laundry sanitizer. Number 12 would be fragrance boosters, and I love these things. So there are some really good ones out there, and I think the name really speaks for itself. This is just product that you add to your washing cycle, and it adds just a boost of fragrance to your laundered items. And lastly, number 13 would be things like an iron, ironing board, steamers. These things are designed to get the wrinkles out of your clothes. So that's it, my friends. 13 types of laundry products available in the stores that you can purchase today to help you with your laundry. I hope you found the video valuable. If you've ever wanted to know the difference between 70% isopropyl alcohol and 91% isopropyl alcohol, click the video right here.